Peace, good peoples. What's going on with you? You should already know you back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. And this is just another daily vlog, but I am on location, on vacation. Alright? Yeah, man, I had to get away, a lot going on. And you have to take the time out to get away, reset, and come back and go stronger. You know what I mean? But we gonna get into it, man. I'm gonna show you guys views on views on views. Run my intro.
Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy,
Feeling real heavy.
like down low. It's
C-Paul, baby.
It's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride.
Hey.
Tonight we gon' ride.
Have you ever been somewhere, went somewhere, and it's like the clouds is like right above you? Like last night, right? It was raining, all that. Like it was nasty out. I got footage of the cloud being literally right next to the cabin. Check this out. I wish my camera could capture this. Like, it's literally mountains around me, and I am in the clouds. Man, if only my phone could capture what I'm seeing. This is so monumental right here. Vacation vibes, yo. Oh man, it's a cloud right next to the cabin. Wow.
I got the concrete flow. I got the concrete flow. That's what they say. Okay.
They got a model house up here.
I got the concrete.
Alright.
My back
Yep,
end wet.
definitely did.
MC. Known to show
No, I didn't.
my feast. Not talking about pimping, still ain't simping.
Alright, here. I'm coming down.
Ain't shit changed. Still spit flame, put a dot on the target.
Something else we were supposed to get from the store.
If my rain will last like King James, don't worry, grip tighter than the pants on Wayne. Samurai slice, chop them up dice, pick them up, spin around, trash, no dice. 6'3" frame, got power on tight. Mixed with some other shit, more like life. Black dude may have been a ball city boss, so loose I has a nigga what's happening in the house. Tired of the front and cars you ain't whipping. Standing on the sideline, need to get to getting like whipping on the wall like the
VHS board.
Everybody in here come to the stage and put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Let me get it so clap like you glad I'm back. Gon' tip the bartender fast like Bruce Jenner. First, no second, come rock with a winner and put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Get it so clap like you glad I'm back. As I stand here in front, going off blunts. Probably won't bite down, walk around, get down. You don't need no dough, push perk, got knocked. Queen Max, bigger bell, Black J, like no need to front and frown and meet town where the Duchess act, grab the bag and bust down. Call me Count Blackula, top to your Acura. Treat him like pancakes, flash like spatula. Heard a nigga feeling till he feeling unmasculine. Get skinny jeans and the man start sagging. School of hard knocks where I'm from, you fagging. Trendsetter nigga, I don't even follow battery. Put him in the box, ship him out like cellophane. Set a fucking roof off, cat 5 hurricane. No juice, no chain, shine like a floodlight. Laughing at you niggas, spitting game in the club like ripping on the wall like you kinda afraid. I need everybody in here to come to the stage. And put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Let me get it so black like you glad I'm back. Gon' tip the bartender fast like Bruce Jenner. First, no second, come rock with a winner. And put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Let me get it so black like you glad I'm back. Gripping on the wall like you kinda afraid. I need everybody in here to come to the stage. And put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Let me get it so black like you glad I'm back. Gon' tip the bartender fast with Wrenchturna. First, no second, come rock with a winner. And put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Let me get it so clap like you glad I'm back. Yo, baby, yo. Yo, baby, yo. I got the concrete flow. I got the concrete flow. Yo, baby, yo. Yo, lady, yo. I got the concrete flow. I got the concrete.
So right now I'm at Biltmore Estate's winery. Getting ready to go check this out. This is gonna be crazy. Man, this vacation right here has just been so dope. I got a whole lot more to show you guys, so stay tuned.
Yes. Okay. I'll show 'em how we get it, baby. I'ma break it all down to the ground and such. Ketchup and hot sauce, niggas is lunch. My flow come tighter than DVDs. Try to touch me and poison like BBD. I'm big, black, established. Never had a stylist. I don't want your bitch. I'm worried about mileage. Caribbean sands like Grand Caveman. No cell phone, now I holler when I land. My treatment deep man, call that sick. Seeds cheap weed you want backyard. Cruise around town on leather lounge. 47 two clips like 94 rounds. Imaginary niggas like Drop Dead Fred. Call KJ Holiday, put you in bed. New leaf, yeah, I'm on it. Blame it on TV like a blue 602 with white powder beats. I know who the fuck it is. I bet. Blak got it, motherfucker. You won't. Blind entertainment, right? I know. Shit. And all these bitches like, bounce. I know. Yes. Tell these niggas. Let's go. I've been getting dough since the fucking Tooth Fairy. Talk shit, Mike Vick, the bomb, Hail Mary. Pull fast, big larkin, bigger sparkin'. It ain't hear you coughing, barely talking. Bitches wanna play me, I guess I'm an obstacle. I beat it up, bustin' a trick and not optional. Back in the day, I used to be a little squirt. Mama feelings got hurt when she found my work. Working for the man visually, I couldn't see it. Everything that my daddy was, I didn't wanna be it. Uncle John was a singer, Uncle Junie was a clapper. I Lily talk shit, so I had to be a rapper. Made my own lane, no bomber for change. Ain't had no connects, drifted right in the game. If you wanna talk flame, bitch, I'm molten steel. 9/11 couldn't break me, kick rocks, nigga. Yeah. I know who the fuck it is. I bet. Blak got it, motherfucker. You won't. Blind entertainment, right? I know. Shit. Break it up, bitches like, bounce. I know. Let's go. I try to be humble, y'all stumble across hits. Daddy hard heads, no problem with the shit. Pulling poppin' hammers, probably wishing you could do me. Get knocked the fuck out like sure. I bring the band with me, got some shit with me. Rockstar now, y'all, I'm blowing on the blizzard. Me hate what they write it down, make a play. Anybody knowing me will tell you that I've been straight. Money train crashing, had to let the chicks know. Call me a bastard, I reply.
Yeah, man. So now I'm back at the cabin. Fresh bottle of wine in hand, or fresh cup of wine. Being all proper and shit. In any event, man, you guys see where I'm at. Views on views on views on views. All right. I love coming to the mountains. You know what I mean? Because of everything that you can see, everything that you can do, everything that you can go and visit. Like, as you can see, we just left the Biltmore Estate. Whole lot of money. Whole lot of money. Man, like when I go places like that, it really It puts things in perspective for me, as far as like leaving legacies and understanding, real money, not just about having money, but having wealth and having equity and having property, and it hits real different when you can see these things and you can read these things and you can understand what people went through in order to get their riches. Mm, 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 mm. Shout out to the Vanderbilts, man, for doing everything that they did. It is what it is, you know what I mean? I wasn't living then. I don't, you know, I don't know how many lives were touched by the things that they did and everything that they had and all of that good stuff. But hey, man, I got some motivation today being on the acreage. Like, you don't get I'm gonna put it like this: the commercial doesn't do the place any justice. You know what I mean? Like, you can watch the commercial 300 times, but until you pull up and you drive around that place and you see how huge it is, just for you to see that one house that you've been seeing on them commercials all that time is just in one spot. That's just one location on the property. And it's so much to do. It really is. It's mad stuff to do.